welcome back to my channel. My name is Ellen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few of my favorite organizing products from Amazon. So first I'm going to take you into my closet because many products that I have purchased from Amazon for organization is right here in my closet. And the first one that I'm going to show you is these little clips that are on the outside of my bins. These clips are perfect for these bins. They also work really well for any bin that has like a small lip on the outside. They do clip well onto this basket. I have several of these all over my closet, and I really like them because they make it very easy to label your containers. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to talk about this. And if you're looking at this and you're thinking, what the heck is that? That was my first impression when I saw it. I wanted a label maker to make easy labels that I can put on things throughout the house without having to like pull up my computer and print. And I came across this one, and I have to tell you guys, this is probably my most used purchase from Amazon. It is a D30 label maker. I will link it down below. And you can purchase different size labels, different colors. But what I really like about this is it doesn't use ink. It is a thermal label maker, so you don't have to purchase ink in order for this to work. All you have to purchase are the labels, which is really, really cool. And I'm going to show you what those labels look like. So on here, this is what the label looks like. And it comes with an app that you can download to your phone in order to tell the label maker what you need it to print. Like seriously, if you don't want to purchase anything else from this video, I'm telling you, this thing is the best thing that I've purchased from Amazon, I think, ever. I also have these boxes, and you can actually purchase these at Walmart for like, I think $2 a box or something like that. I actually bought a set of these. I think it was, I'm going to link them in the description down below. I want to say between 6 and 8. And they're really sturdy. I like that they have the top on them, but they're also quite small. So you can store really small things inside of them. So for example, in this box, I just have things for doing my nails, like nail files and clips for the nails and things like that. But they really, really come in handy. I also use this, if you've seen my short video with my kids' bathroom organization, I use this in the drawer. And my son cannot open it, so the little things that are in there are things that I don't want him to be able to get to. He can't get to it. So these little boxes really come in handy in many places. I also purchased these off of Amazon. And you can see I have the label right on top from that label maker. I'm telling you guys, I use this thing all the time. But I'm sure somewhere in your closet you have like an organizational system. Some people like to do, rainbow color, things like that. I personally have my stuff organized according to like when I would wear those clothes. When you put your clothes up there, sometimes it's hard to tell where one section ends and the other section begins. So I ordered these, and I just labeled it on top, and they just sit right on the bar. So you can easily see where your things start and stop, and you can easily put things back where they belong. Okay, so I also shared this organizer in a short as well, but I figured I would go ahead and share it here because to me, it's just so amazing. As a teacher, I have lots of accessories, lots of different holiday things because I like to dress in theme for the kids. I teach elementary school. And so I had this organizer from my old classroom that I was no longer using. And so I thought, what a great idea to be able to put all of like my costume jewelry and stuff in my closet. And so I brought it in here, and that's exactly what I did. For example, this is a drawer of Christmas earrings. So it's just all kinds of little earrings that are Christmas themed in here. Which is funny because I have so many Christmas earrings. Actually, I had to have 2 drawers. But I really like this organizer. It's fairly expensive, but it can be used for a multitude of things. So I use it for jewelry, but I also have a couple of them upstairs for my craft room. You can use them for things in the kitchen. If you have a lot of teas that you want to organize, they come in different sizes, different number of drawers. So definitely check these out because I think these are gold mine when it comes to organization. Okay, so now we're in my bathroom, and I really just wanted to show you guys these acrylic clear bins that I purchased from Amazon. If you've seen my bathroom organization video, then you've seen these already, but I really like these because they are so deep. Like, you see how long this is? They're really long and really deep, and they can fit into a deep cabinet very well, and they use up the space really well. They're kind of narrow, so if you don't want a narrow bin, they may not work very well for you, but I love these for this cabinet and also my bathroom drawers because because they're so long and narrow, they make it really well to be able to stand up my hot tools and also my hair products in. Now this, I wasn't even going to put this in the video, and then I passed by my vanity and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to share this. These bamboo boxes is actually not one organizer. It's actually several little boxes that sit on top of each other, and I actually ordered this for my drawer in the kitchen, and I'm going to add a video here to show you how I use the other ones. But I had 3 left that I didn't know what to do with, and I remembered that on my vanity, I had all of this stuff just lined up. It was taking up too much room. So I went ahead and used these to organize it, and I have to say, I really love the way they turned out. Now, this cabinet has been organized and reorganized and reorganized. But I'm just going to point out a couple of things. So the first thing is, again, some more of these acrylic bins. These are smaller and narrow, and I use it to keep all of our medication in. I also have these that are really great if you have, like, you know, multiple medication or more medication for one category. So for example, this is allergy and sinus. We have sinus problems in my house all the time, so I keep a lot of this stuff on hand. I also really like these for the refrigerator. I'm gonna stick a clip right here to show you how I use them in the refrigerator, but they work really, really well. I love the size of them. The other thing I wanted to point out to you guys is this little shelf right here and this shelf. Oh goodness, you guys can't see it. Hold on. This shelf right here. They actually came in a 2-pack, and it's very similar to those Walmart ones that are like the wire shelves. The wire ones are great, don't get me wrong. I use those in my kitchen, but I actually purchased these for somewhere else that I wanted to use them, and I ended up using them here, and I really like the way they work here for me. But I wanted to point these out. Again, if you've seen my bathroom organization video, then you've seen these already. But I really like these drawers. They are perfect for under the sink because they come out, they have a wire around them. You just can't put like really small, delicate things in them, but they're great for cleaning products or anything that's big that you need to hold, especially under the sink. Okay, so I didn't talk about these in my closet, but I will talk about them here in my living room. And that is these cube bins. I feel like everybody knows about cube storage, but what I really like about these from Amazon is they are 6 of them for $20, which I cannot find that good of a deal anywhere else. So whenever I want to purchase cube bins, that's where I usually go, because six for, it's like $19. I don't know. I'll insert the cost per cube right here. But I haven't found that good of a price anywhere else. So this is where I like to purchase them from. Okay, so we are in my command center, which was the very first thing I shared on YouTube. So I'm really excited to show you guys this again. But anyway, this is called museum gel. And if you've ever opened up a drawer and let's say you put a couple of baskets in it and then you open up the drawer and everything's just sliding around everywhere, this is what you need, okay? This stuff is just a clear, like, putty. It comes out like this, and it's sticky, and you can stick it on the underneath of your baskets before you put them into the drawer, and your baskets won't slide around anymore. It's really, really neat. Pretty inexpensive. And it's one of my favorite organizing products. I have some of these in here too, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in here. This is the thermal labels for the label maker. I have two different sizes. I have the shorter size and then the longer size. I know there's different kinds that you can get, but just throwing this in there because I really, really like this label maker. Okay, so I shared this as well on my organizational video for the kitchen, but I just wanted to show you guys again because that's how much I love them. These acrylic drawers can be used anywhere. If you have a more shallow cabinet in your bathroom, these would be perfect. These would be perfect to keep face stuff in, makeup in, just anything. They come in bigger sizes and smaller sizes. I'll link them both down below. My sister actually bought these for her daughter's play kitchen because there wasn't any shelves, and she just bought, I think she's got two stacked on top of each other, and they work perfectly to keep all of her daughter's, you know, food toys in the refrigerator. So they're very, very versatile. I use these everywhere. I just pulled this out of the bottom of my pantry. I did not share this with you guys because I don't know why I didn't share it with you guys for my kitchen organizing products. But anyway, these are baskets. They are nesting. They sit on top of each other. I think this one came in a pack of 3. I'm going to see if I can find them because I know they came from Amazon, but they were a gift. So I'm not quite sure if I can find these exact ones, but I will link something similar down below. They are amazing. I use mine in my pantry for potatoes, onions, things like that. You could use this for just about anything. I'm thinking, you know, shoe storage or bag storage when you walk in the door. You could put books in it. There's so many possibilities with these. Okay, I'm standing in front of my TV because there's something up there that I want to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and link the clip because it is too tall for me to reach right now. But these are some DVD boxes that my husband and I purchased to keep our kids out of the DVDs. We had a DVD tower on the side of our TV, and the problem was my daughter kept walking up to them and knocking them all down. I don't know why kids do that, but they do. It's fine for them to do that with their own toys and books, not with DVDs that we've paid a good bit of money for before streaming was really a thing. And so I really like these boxes because you can use them for a multitude of different things. Not just DVDs. You can use them for craft supplies, you name it, you can use them for it. So I just wanted to point those out. And that's going to be it today from me, guys. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed it. And if you would like to see more organizational videos, crafting videos, or just videos about running a household and being a mom, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always looking forward to connecting to other moms out there who are going through the same struggles and the same triumphs that I have gone through. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.